Hello, my name is Jessica Queen Wells. Welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell below so me, CoCo, and Grace will know every time you upload a video. Grace had a beautiful birthday party. If you did not see it, go check it out on my Instagram. CoCo was there. She had on her pretty dress. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Look at it growling. Hi, YouTube. You're not gonna say hi? Huh? No? Okay. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell below so you know every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be talking about something that helps keep my little baby right here safe and sound. She now knows how to go out of the doggy door, so yeah, I'm impressed with her. So, stay tuned if you want to see what I've been up to. Heifers. Okay, guys, I want to thank this company right here called Arenti. It is a solar 3MP wire-free Wi-Fi rechargeable battery, camera, and solar panel. Guys, this is a lifesaver. You know, right here in Arizona, it's about 109, 110, 115 degrees outside, and I'm talking about hot. And puppies tend to go out and not remember how to get back in because the door is pretty heavy for her, but she's pretty good at going out and coming back in. But I was concerned, and Arenti reached out to me and they allowed me to choose what type of camera I want. They have all sorts of cameras. They have baby cameras, nanny cams, they have indoor doggy cams, and this particular one I could have put inside or outside. It came with and I'll show you my install and everything. It comes with a solar panel that you can put up outside, and it also comes with the cord where you can actually plug it into a wall. I chose to use the solar panel. I think it was super cool. This freaking thing is awesome. You can actually register it online, and once you set up your account and all that good stuff, you can see anything going on, coming and going out of your back porch. So I have mine directed right to my door so I can see when Grace, Girly, and CoCo go outside, and it kind of gives me an alert so I know when they are coming back inside. This particular unit has a lot of things that are to go with it. You can record your day-to-day happenings with your camera by inserting a card, a USB card, which I did. I put one in, so it actually saves it to that card. You can also upload this to your cloud if you have one. I have one, but girl, ain't no use in me having a cloud. So those are just extra things I got rid of in my financial cleanse, which I will tell you about in a different video. Is my camera going in and out every time I move? I think so, but anyway. So this camera has a 3MP Ultra HD, so really nice camera. It is full color night vision, so at night I can see. Girl, let me fix my camera. Hold on. Okay, we just put in the card, which I believe is optional, but anyway, a mini SD card has been included. This is so easy to install. The bracket is already up there, so you just need to twist and it's up. Pretty cool. Look at that. Okay, and my son's taking off the plastic because I do leave my plastic on there for years. But in this case, it came off. Okay, now that we have the camera up, it is time to put the the little solar panel up. So yeah, and the bracket's already up for that, so I don't need to show you guys that. We're gonna go and see what this looks like on my phone. I've already downloaded the app, so let's roll.